Good afternoon, Vanto here. I'm in Cape Town. This morning I made a post about cognitive health. I've also given a few of the suggestions I had with the challenges that we have on cognitive health. But it made me to think again that there is more that we need to know. And that is, we live in challenging times. We live in very difficult times. And the times that we live in, they are just like war times. And I would even go further to say we are in our third world war. We live in times when people are challenged with their psychological health. They are challenged because they have lost jobs. They are challenged because they have lost businesses. They have lost loved ones. They are challenged because a whole lot of things are changing around them. Losing loved ones in many ways, both in the way of death because of the pandemic, but also because of a lot of disagreements when we are faced with big decisions to do. And these decisions, they need us to relate more. They need us to be patient with people that we are talking to, because it is like wartime. Things that are happening now are unprecedented. And we have many suicides. We also have a lot of depression around us. And all of these things, they are challenging our psychological health. This morning, I did a presentation of cognitive health. And I am also saying today, between sanity and insanity, we might as well think about our cognitive health. This is one time we need to be healthier than any other time in our lives. And I want to convey two things to you today. One is take care of your cognitive health. And I did give a presentation this morning, and I made a recommendation of Restore Life, that Restore Life is very good for cognitive health. We need to be strong mentally. We need to think longer. We need to perform faster. We need to outperform companies, colleagues, and many other areas of competition in our workplaces so that we can keep the work that we do. We also need to have good cognitive health so that we can be patient with one another. We need more patience with one another this time. We need more love. We need a more relational ability. And those things can only happen when we have a sound mind. Restore Life is very good with a sound mind. It helps you. It renews your cognitive health. For people who know how it was to study and have a youthful mind during the university time, this is one product that is able to bring that youthful mind. It is also good for people who are studying, because this is the time when our academic life is also highly challenged. And this is my recommendation, and I have other videos that are explaining more why I have this product that I recommend. I will post them below this video. And also during this time, the cognitive health, I also, recommend Coledus. That's what I recommended even earlier. It is good for circulation. We need more circulation because circulation is good for our cognitive health. And also, we need musculoskeletal strength. We need metabolic strength. All those things, they contribute to a good cognitive health. Now, when we have these two products, this one for circulation, this one is also for longevity, we are able to fight, we are able to decide better, we are able to achieve the best cognitive health at this time. One product that I have also spoken about, I spoke about Vitamax. This is my favorite product. This product actually has both of these products. They are both here, because in this product there is Fruit Flow. There is also in this product Resvida. Now, Fruit Flow, it is what makes us to have circulation. Resvida, it is the Restore Life that is found in here. The other thing that I want to talk about, where these products come from, they come from Alliance in Motion, which has got a project right now as we speak, which is called EdPlan 2.0. And this project is to fast track us during this time that is challenging of the pandemic time, because as we know, businesses fail at this time. Now, we have had batch 1 and batch 2. that goes for 10 weeks in an international class to some of the best coaches around the world who are going to cheer you up, who are going to guide you, who are going to teach you how to go through and succeed even in selling the same. When I say selling, I mean there is only one way of making these to reach most of the people that we need to help today. It's by selling them. That's how we need to reach them. And therefore, R2S, which is the Road to Success project, they have successfully done 2 batches. That means 2 groups that come from all over the world. Over the first 10 weeks and the second 10 weeks, it goes for 3 classes. The first 10 weeks is a starter class. The second 10 weeks, it is a building class. The last 10 weeks, it is a master class. There is 2 weeks that is of break in between. It is going through the Zoom. I have done the starter class and I have done the building class. And from doing those 2, I have gained a lot, especially from such a kind group of lecturers, coaches that have given their time to make sure that even during these times of the pandemic, we are able to succeed. A whole lot of businesses, they have failed this time. I mean, 100-year-old conglomerates, I mean, big businesses, they have failed. Big family businesses, they have failed. Big and small, they have failed. And we know that even this time, especially in our continent of Africa, we have the small businesses as the ones that are actually hiring over 80% of our people. I repeat, 80% of our people in Africa, they are hired by small business. And 50% of the GDP, the gross domestic product of Africa, it comes from the small business. Therefore, I'm encouraging you to be part of these classes. I'm saying this because we are going to have another class next week, as we have had the second batch that has also graduated in their class 1. The first batch graduated in their class 2. So I'm encouraging you to be part of us. I'm also going to put down this video the links that are showing where we can register, even the group that we are going to use to register for the third batch. We need these classes. We need them because at this age, we lose our jobs, we lose our businesses. We have to start a new career. And to start a new career, you need coaches that will be patient with you because it's been long that we've been at school. And also to start a new career, you need a good cognitive health. I hope this is going to assist you. During these times, we are living in the times of war, and that war is against our mind. Let us have a healthy mind and let us continue to increase our academic life through R2S and many other projects that are going to be there. There you have it. I am saying to you, let us join the road to success, the roadmap to success, which is offered by Alliance in Motion. It is offered by Alliance in Motion. Thank you for having this time with me. Good cognitive health, a good training. That's what I offered to you today. I hope you will enjoy this. Have a good day.